my name. I see shooting stars on passing cars.